Good evening. I'm Rubini, coming from Knowledge Institute of Technology. Thanks to give this opportunity, and I pleasure to share my feedback about this college and about this workshop. In the Sona College 2 days workshop, I participated in this workshop SPSS and AMOS. So I learn about basic things only, SPSS and AMOS, but here I learn more things about One-Way ANOVA, parametric, non-parametric. So I learned this many things. Thanks for giving this opportunity for management and Sona College, and then my Knowledge College of Institute, and then organizers. Thank you, and this is an excellent workshop. Again and again, did you conduct like this? Means it's a more useful to all the PhD scholars. Thank you so much.